If you have a lash appointment coming up, I suggest you to check out this tutorial how to get a better lash retentions and a healthier lash conditions. You heard all about a lash shampoos, and the reason why we're gonna use a lash shampoo is because it's designed for lash extensions. You have your shampoo for your hair and you have a face wash for your face. Each of our bodies have a product for itself, and so for lash extensions we do have a lash shampoo designed especially just for lash extensions. Before coming to the appointment, and you will see that most of our associates will ask you to wash your lashes before laying down. So now I will show you how to do so for the most effective way and the correct way. As you can see, I'm shaking off the shampoo bottles as like this, and then I will have it a pump or two direct lines just like this. I have lash extension on, as you can see, and I'll use the mascara wand, or if you purchase a lash shampoo, it should come with brush in the box for you to use, but I can use just a mascara wand to do this part. As you can see, I just work it downward and upward, very close to the lash line. The point is to clean the lashes and the lash line. Following that, I'll get a tissue and pat dry. If you're going to do this at home before going to bed or when you wake up, you can go ahead and rinse it out. Here I'm just showing you to make sure you get all the shampoo off. Then you can just rinse your lashes off. You can do this at the sink. After, you can let it dry a little and then brush your lashes from the middle to the tips. Close your eye, brush from the top down, making sure nothing is sticking or clumping. And there you have it. I hope you guys find the tutorial helpful. I really suggest you guys to wash your lashes, shampoo your lashes at least twice a week, making sure the lashes are nice and cleaned, built up frizz. And if you wear makeup, it will remove most of the makeup off the lashes and the lash lines. A better, healthier lash line, the healthier of your natural lashes, which tends to lead to a better retentions. So most of the time you will have more lashes when you come in for a lash fill, which it helps all of us. You will have more lashes after the appointment, and we can short up the amount of time that we can work on your appointment.